They lied to you. Money can buy happiness. Everywhere you look, someone is saying the same thing. Money can't buy happiness. Successful people say it. Motivational speakers say it. Even billionaires love repeating it. It's one of those sayings that sounds so wise that nobody ever stops to question it. But today, we're going to. Welcome back to Mold Lab. Today, we're putting one of the world's most famous sayings under the microscope. Can money really not buy happiness? Or have we been asking the wrong question all along? Let's run the experiment. Imagine waking up tomorrow. Nothing about you has changed. You're still the same person. The only difference, every dollar you own has vanished. Your bank account is empty. Your wallet is empty. Your investments are gone. At first you think it's only money. Then reality starts knocking. Rent is due. The electricity bill arrives. Your fridge is almost empty. Your phone service is cut off. Your car needs fuel. Suddenly the sentence, money can't buy happiness, doesn't feel quite as comforting anymore. Because something interesting happens when money disappears. Stress arrives almost immediately. Not because money is happiness, but because money quietly pays for many of the things that keep stress away. Shelter, food, electricity, transportation, healthcare, security. Without those, your brain isn't thinking about happiness. It's thinking about survival. Meet Ben. Actually, meet two Bens. Ben number 1 wakes up every morning worried about paying rent. Every notification feels like another bill. Even when he's relaxing, his mind isn't resting. It's calculating. Can I afford this? What if something breaks? Now meet Ben number 2. Same personality, same intelligence, same sense of humor. The only difference, financial security. His bills are paid. He has an emergency fund. If something unexpected happens, it's frustrating, not life-changing. Money didn't magically make him happier. It gave him room to breathe. Maybe money doesn't buy happiness. Maybe it removes a huge amount of unhappiness. So let's keep testing. Can money buy health? Most people instantly answer no. Technically, they're right. Money cannot guarantee you'll never get sick. It can't make you immortal. Now imagine both Bens receive the exact diagnosis. Same illness, same age, same chance of recovery. One has almost no savings. The other has more than enough. The first Ben worries about hospital bills before treatment even begins. He delays appointments, keeps working because he can't afford to stop, searches for cheaper alternatives. The second Ben asks different questions. Who's the best specialist? Should I get another opinion? Would another hospital improve my chances? Money didn't buy health, it bought options. Better hospitals, better specialists, earlier treatment, better nutrition. More recovery time. Money doesn't guarantee a better outcome, but it often improves the odds. Interesting. Now what about time? People say money can't buy time. Well, not literally. Everyone still gets 24 hours. But watch what happens. Ben spends his evening shopping, cleaning, waiting in queues, fixing things, driving across town. The day disappears. The other Ben gets groceries delivered, automates bills, pays someone to repair the leaking tap, uses the reclaimed evening to play with his family, read, exercise, relax. Money didn't create another hour. It bought back hours that would have been spent elsewhere. Maybe that's why successful people often spend money to save time instead of the other way around. Now let's test the emotional one. Money can't buy love. Can someone hand over cash and instantly make another person genuinely love them? No. But maybe that's the wrong experiment. Instead, ask, can money create conditions where love has a better chance to grow? Less financial stress, more quality time, dates, trips, celebrations, supporting children, being present instead of constantly working overtime. Money doesn't force love. It creates opportunities for relationships to flourish. The same applies to friendship. Money can't manufacture genuine loyalty, but it can create experiences that strengthen bonds. Travel, shared meals, helping a friend in need, being available. Now let's step back. What is happiness actually made of? Safety, security, health, freedom, hope, experiences, relationships, time, purpose. Money has a surprising influence on many of those ingredients. Not all of them. Purpose still has to be found. Character still has to be built. Inner peace still has to be cultivated. But it's much easier to search for those things when you're not wondering how you'll pay next month's rent. So, can money buy happiness? Not directly. It can't package happiness in a box. But after today's experiment, one conclusion became impossible to ignore. Money buys many of the conditions that happiness grows in. Maybe we've been arguing over the wrong sentence all along. Instead of saying, money can't buy happiness, perhaps we should say, money can't guarantee happiness, but it can remove many of the barriers standing in its way. And if given the choice, I'd rather search for happiness with financial freedom than without it, because money isn't happiness. It's one of the most powerful tools ever invented, and like every tool, its value depends on how you use it. Thanks for joining another experiment here at Mold Lab. See you in the next one.